What's up, YouTube? It is Sam from Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up an eBay package. This is another diecast mail call here. We got a package from eBay, got a little something for myself for my birthday. And yeah, let's get this open. Should be 9 classic cars in here. 9 Hot Wheels classic cars. Not the best at opening these. My knife isn't the sharpest, but yeah, let's get this open. And got a decent deal on these Hot Wheels classic cars. So these are going to be from like around 2006 era, and these are going to be metal on metal with Spectreflame paint and special tires. So really excited to have these, and it's giving a little trouble, but right away I'm noticing that use this eBay packaging, this bubble wrap around it, which is a great start to the packaging. That looks like they definitely packed this very well. And yeah, you can see the package right in there. Then they put cardboard around it. Sweet. Okay, so that's going to be a little bit of extra protection there. More cardboard. Just got to get around this. And the packages are already like damaged a little bit. Probably going to open all these, but maybe there might be a few that I want to save. So now we have this envelope here. Should be open, should be able to be opened from there. See if we can do this here. I'm not too good. Camera setup isn't too good, so you know, let's just tear right through it. Who cares? Oh, okay, it just pops right open here, and I can see one of the packages already, so they packaged this really well. And more cardboard on top of that right there. They packaged this definitely very well. You can see the cars in there. I think I might be able to pull out this cardboard with the cars on them, like kind of like a little tray, you know? And here we go. A couple of the cards are bent. But other than that, they packaged this really well. Should be 9 cars in here. Look at the nice packaging designs, the Hot Wheels classics. Very cool. Get this packaging out of the way and open this up. Got an opening here. Let's get this open, and there we go. First car, what is it? Oh, wow. This has the Redline tires, die-cast body and chassis, the Purple Passion. Metal on metal. Packaging actually looks pretty good. I might keep this one in the package. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like a keeper. And a little bit of shelf wear on this. 2004 copyright. Sweet. Spectreflame gold on that one. And then we have a blue one as well. This one has a little bit of soft corner, but loving the colors on these. These are really cool. So 2 different variations of the Purple Passion here. Classic series. Okay. Aha, Baja Breaker. And looks like I got a really damaged package on this one. So this one will get opened. Really popular van here. It's always been popular as a Hot Wheels. My first one of these castings, actually. I really am fond of this casting. So glad to finally have a version of that. And here's one of my favorite castings. The Chevy Nomad. Classic Nomad. These are the classics that came out. The Hot Wheels classics. Spectreflame paint, special wheels, and metal on metal. It looks like we got 5 spokes on these. And this is probably another opener here. But check that out. Isn't that beautiful? 2 of my favorite castings. Chevy Nomad. Loving the Purple Passions too. Ooh, wow. Got a T-bucket. Another damaged card here. Take a nice look at that. Wow. Very nice, and sometimes the engines will come loose on these things, which is pretty kind of an interesting error that's pretty common on this casting. Beautiful Corvette Stingray. This is one that I do not have in my collection, and I might end up leaving this one in the package. It doesn't look like any significant damage on that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's going to be 2 more in here. And one that's I'm really excited about, this 40s Woody here. This is going to be an opener. Look at this. Very nice. It says Malibu on it. I have the same one from the series, but a different color. And this one looks like it's going to have some soft corners and stuff. So, '04 copyright on all these. They could have been released in '05 or '06, I think. Beautiful. Look at that. Very nice 63 Corvette. Another one of the castings that I really like collecting. Just a lot of cool cars in here. This one's a really nice looking one. Probably my 8th color of this casting. But yeah, I got some Hot Wheels Classics. Definitely a great seller from Montana. I forgot his name already. It's like Gregory something. But this guy did a great job of packing. And it arrived in a couple days all the way from Montana. So, this guy did a great job. Well, thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. And, oh man. What if I just did this? Crack that tea bucket up. Oh yeah. Absolute beauty. Well, I decided to crack one open for you guys. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. I'm take a nice look at this first. Spectreflame Pink. 7-spoke wheels. Thailand base. Metal on metal. Chrome engine. Got to be careful of that. That could break off. Beautiful car, though. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for more. And I'll see you in the next video. See if I can get a thumbnail here. Goodbye.